In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Design for business owners. To get started, head over to Claude and sign in to your account. Once you're in, begin a new chat or create a new project so you have a clean space to work. This is important because it helps you stay organized and gives Claude clear context from the very beginning. Before asking for design help, take a moment to define your business goals and objectives. Be specific about what you want the design to accomplish, whether that's generating leads, selling products, building trust, or improving brand visibility. You'll also want to identify your target audience and ideal customers because strong design works best when it speaks directly to the people you want to reach. Next, gather your logo, brand colors, and key business information. If you have branding documents, website notes, or examples of styles you like, upload those materials to Claude. Giving Claude this context makes the output more relevant and more aligned with your brand. Now explain your business clearly and describe the type of design you need. For example, you might need a website homepage, a landing page, marketing graphics, or a full set of brand messaging ideas. Then ask Claude to create a design brief for the project. This gives you a solid foundation and helps organize the direction before moving into layouts and copy. From there, request ideas for your website, landing page, or marketing materials. Ask Claude to generate customer-focused layouts and content suggestions and have it create a homepage structure tailored to your business. Once Claude gives you a draft, review the proposed design and messaging carefully. If anything feels off-brand or unclear, request revisions so it better matches your voice and goals. You can also ask Claude to generate professional headlines, calls to action, and sales copy. If you need visual guidance, ask for suggested color schemes and typography that fit your brand personality. For deeper planning, have Claude create service pages, product pages, or pricing page layouts. And if your audience will be visiting from phones or tablets, request mobile-friendly and responsive design recommendations as well. If needed, you can even ask Claude to generate website or landing page code. After that, review everything for clarity, professionalism, and conversion potential. Make adjustments based on customer needs and your business priorities. Claude can also help you create support